I want to take you on a fancy cattle drive, a fancy cattle drive where dreams of fancy thrive. This old trail will lead you to the West's biggest hall, where the cows all stampede to for their yearly ball. They have an ensemble way out on the trail, and that's where they assemble each year without fail. Now let them sing for us what resembles a song on this cattle drive as you and I string along. On this fancy cattle drive, heifers are lowing, the big bulls have derived, lariats for throwing, and they round up the heifers with unerring throws for dancing in leather where the prairie stream flows. With stars up there shining, sweet dreams I'm designing, because down here I've been pining from 9 to 5 to ask for your hand, although it's chancy but planned, while I take you on a long fancy cattle drive. Hey! The fancy cattle drive is over, but was neat. Big bulls and young heifers kissed goodbye long and sweet. Ensembles of birds in the trees fly on the breeze. Next year at the ramble, they'll invite all the bees. Now the bulls and heifers, as well as birds and bees, are taking measures for next year's pleasures like these.